Tuesday evening, thanks for tuning in. We're going to start tonight with some new news on a big lawsuit that's been going on for more than a year. Our Attorney General, Keith Ellison, sued Fleet Farm in 2022 over gun sales. And today, a judge told Fleet Farm cough up some records about who is buying what and when and whose fault that is. Lou has been on this one for a while. Here's his story.
Two people were convicted of murder for the October 2021 shootout at the Truck Park Bar in St. Paul that killed one woman, Markeisha Wiley, and wounded four others. But a third man, Jerome Horton, was convicted in federal court for buying one of the guns used in the shooting, what's known as a straw purchase, where someone buys a gun on behalf of someone else who legally can't do so. Horton bought 24 guns from Fleet Farm over a 4-month period. Here he is on surveillance video waving two guns in the air minutes after the purchase. Separate from the Truck Park case, Sarah Elwood was convicted of straw gun purchases. She bought 13 guns from Fleet Farm over the course of a year. She bought multiple handguns on 4 different occasions.
It really came to our attention that they were negligently selling firearms.
With that information, Attorney General Keith Ellison sued Fleet Farm.
Fleet Farm, we believe and can prove, they sold 37 guns within the matter of a few months to 2 straw purchasers. To me, that's not being careful enough. They shouldn't have done it. They have, I think they have moral responsibility, and they also, and I'm going to prove they have legal responsibility as well.
As part of the discovery process in the legal case, Fleet Farm is required to turn over certain information to the plaintiff, which is the state of Minnesota. In a hearing today, Judge John Doherty ordered Fleet Farm to provide the state with logs that show information about anyone who bought 4 or more handguns within a 14-day period to examine purchasing patterns. The state had asked for more extensive sales records, but the judge and Fleet Farm expressed concern over the state having the ability to create a database of gun buyers.
No, there's no plans to build some database. We're trying to protect people's lives, and we're going to use the discovery we got within the law, within the parameters set by the court, and responsibly, which is more than I can say for the conduct of some retailers.
Ellison updated the lawsuit to allege Fleet Farm also violated the state's gun control law by allegedly transferring firearms to straw purchasers Fleet Farm knew or had reason to know were buying firearms for others. With today's ruling, the state will be able to take a closer look at those gun sale logs to see if there were any other straw buyers at Fleet Farm that were missed, and then the lawsuit can proceed from there. Back to you.